Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you on how to download Fortnite on mobile, Android and iOS. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. So first thing you have to do is go to your Google Chrome or Safari and then type in store.epicgames.com. And then you just have to tap on install, and from here tap on the install on Android. And then this will pop up, so just have to tap on download, and then it will ask you to confirm, so you just have to tap on install to install the Epic Games. And now as you can see, the app is already installed, so you just have to click on open to open the Epic Games. Once you have tapped on that, as you can see in here, you can install the games or any other applications that you can see in here. You just have to scroll down and find the app that you want, so tap on install from Fortnite. And then you just have to go to settings to set up some permissions. So once you tap on settings, you just have to enable the Epic Games. So just tap on that to toggle on. And then after that, it will ask you to install the application. So just tap on install to install the Fortnite application. And now, since it's already installed, you just have to tap on open to finally open the application. So just tap on open, and here as you can see, it's already downloading, so you just have to wait for it to load until it's already downloaded in your application. And that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.